Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Alan Zulay na mukbanger. Ngayon mukbang natin ay may kibal po yan, kibal. May kamatis. Tapos ginisa kong talong. Yan. Yan po yan. Ayan lang po yung dinner namin mamaya. So beef to guys, beef. Malambot siya. Beef yan ha. Sarap. Pinasadya ko talaga ng hilak. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.